Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are doing great. Myself Shiba Khan as your computer teacher. Welcome you here today. I will teach class 7. This is your computer book. Look at this. Okay? And that is your first chapter. Your first chapter name is Number System. Okay, now let's start our lesson. What is a number system? You must have heard of number system like whole numbers, real number, etc. in mathematics. But in the context of computer technology, we define other types of number system like the binary number system, the decimal number system, the hexadecimal number system, and others. We will discuss these number system. How can we convert from other number system? Okay. The cool fact is the modern binary number system is created to Gottfried Leibniz in 1689. He was a German mathematician. Okay. When we type some letters or words, the computer translates them into numbers. It can understand the positional number system, where there are only a few symbols called digits, and these symbols represent different values. The value of each digit in a number can be determined using the following: the digit, the position of the digit in the number, the base of the number system. Okay. Number system is a technique to represent numbers in the computer system architecture, where every value that you are saving or getting into from computer memory has a defined number system. Okay. Now, computer architecture supports following number system. First is binary number system, second one octal number system, third one decimal number system, and fourth one is hexadecimal number system. Now I will describe it. Firstly, I describe binary number system. Machine language has binary values or two values, the combination of which represents the data. These two states are the on state represented by I and the off state represented by 0. The binary number system is also a positional notation numbering system, but the base is 2 instead of 10. When we write a binary number, each binary digit is multiplied by an appropriate power of 2, which is based on their position in the number. Okay. And second is octal number system. Octal number system uses numbers from 0 to 7, example of 8 digits, and the numbers used are with the base 8. Okay. It uses 8 digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. The first position in an octal number represents a power 0 of the base 16 starting from the leftmost number. Okay. Third is decimal number system. The number system that we use in our day-to-day life is the decimal number system, which has 10 symbols. You know that also. These are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The position of every digit has a weight, which is a power of 8. For example, the decimal number 1, 2, 3, 4 consists of the digit 4 in the units position, 3 in the tens position, 2 in the hundreds position, and 1 in the thousands position. Okay? Now I explain it. Hexadecimal number system. In this number system, the base used is 16. So 16 digits are used to represent a given number. This number system is called the hexadecimal number system, and each digit position represents a power of 16. The following are the hexadecimal numerals: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. The number system is supplemented by letters as the base is greater than 10. To take A, B, C, D, E and F as part of the number system is conventional and has no logical or deductive reason. Okay students, this is your homework. Learn about it, write about it. Okay. With this I end my class today. I hope you have understood and very well. Please students, utilize your time. If not now, then when? Don't be careless. I say goodbye. Take care all of you.